What's up, guys? It's your guy Israel. I'm back again with an exciting video. Do it was to end. And today I'll be dropping my week 3 documentaries. All right, so I was supposed to drop this last week, but there's been of kind of some research. All right, so let's just dig in. What's going to happen? What I've been trading for the past few days and how it has been doing. And so I'm just going to tell them out. So last week was very fun because we traded a lot of tokens. We made a lot of good calls as well. We pretty made a lot of money from them. And some of them I wasn't able to hold them for long. And, taking profits early sometimes can be so um, unbearable. So I'll just talk about my Forex trades that I took recently and how it went all through. So I kind of made so many losses from UJ pairs, USDJPY. That was from last week totally. And the reason was because I also hyped up on the long side of it that was making profit. So this was like trading to like 2 weeks ago. And that last week was something else because market was just dipping down and I didn't have made much research on why it was dipping. So kind of long somewhere here and I think I got stepped out from here and as well made another analysis to long somewhere here and when the market went here, I doubled down on my position. I still got stepped out, so I didn't bother to trade UJ since then again. I had to leave it. Now I came back to crypto. Like it's always been, once you know what you're doing, you can actually trade in the market. So I was trading on crypto, right? And there's been so many analysis up here since on crypto. You had BTC performed so well on my last analysis. I cleared this recent high here. I think okay was somewhere here. So this was the analysis, right? So this was the analysis that we cleared up somewhere here. And normally you're supposed to go like 100k then before this current dump, but this dump right now is quite different because it have created a lot of liquidity at the downside. So regardless, we're having Trump and Greenland issues going on. So there's been some um side the kind of war thing coming back again to a scenario. I don't know if it's tariff or anything, but there's just crisis in the world currently between Trump and Greenland acquiring Greenland. So something like that is also affecting BTC, but people are going into safer assets like gold. So I kind of took this trade after then. I didn't bother to analyze BTC. So this current dump, I didn't even analyze them. So I also mentioned so many other tokens that was in last week that did so well. I think we made a lot of profit from it. So I mentioned my network. If you like to be in our group, the link is also on the video. Do have to join. And I always do this video every week, which explains so many things. So I did so many analysis. So this was crazy, man. Yo, this shit start pumping this morning, man. Damn, it's going like 0.3. So I did so many analysis. I caught my network and then we picked up from this token. The reason I was saw it very, very early, as low as 9 million market cap, but I didn't enter actually. I waited so long and when I had the chance, I didn't bother to enter. So yesterday, I made some profit while trading it, right? I made about 3 to 4x. I currently cruised because I was in a pump fund trade, so that was a misunderstanding from my side. I didn't want to over risk my account while sleeping, so I had to close some position, and I'm really feeling it right now because it's pumping crazy right now. So the real pump is beginning to start up, but I feel like it's something that I go to 0.6 cents around $1 zone or even more than that because fee um join the privacy payment system and you know that privacy have been trending for a while in the space right now. So I also made analysis on pump fund. I said like when we trading back there in 2022 that meme coin was trending, it was BNB. And I remember I had so many BNB um deployment platform where you can deploy tokens and all that. So we had coin and today nobody hears about coin anymore. So something like that means that all these things have a time to also end as well. So I made analysis on pump fund and I feel like pump fund is something that's still gonna dump very, very hard. It's not yet time, but whatever time it takes, pump fund is still gonna dump very hard, at least dump towards a certain level, maybe 500 million market cap or 200 million market cap, whatever. But per fund is going to dump. If you look at this analysis here, that's that we have a daily order block somewhere around this level that market sniped in, and then we had the liquidity at the low level here. Also, we had this sweep that haven't been filled yet, so as like we're still gonna sweep that or fill that later. So if you look at Nigeria times two, we have something like a head and shoulder pattern that we currently have a buy zones at this level, which got rejected of recent before market closed a full bearish candle as of yesterday, which is still testing today. I feel like after the testing today, we're still gonna continue down. I look at a 1 hour analysis that I did yesterday. Market is still there, so I had to shift my stop loss to a level that is appealing to me because it was a bit risky as well. So if you look at the 15 minutes time frame, so we had yesterday, I made the analysis, I entered somewhere here and market flipped up. So here was my stop loss above. So we had another block, the other block here that was rejected, whatever you call it. This is another block, right? Market got rejected, create a break of structure, still dumped, create a break of structure, and then we are in another dump here. So here is a very valid higher high, Abby, right? A very valid higher high. So you just all you need to know is that once market is always creating this structure, breaking structures, it's gonna continue the trend when it's going to. So my most major things are I'm having my stop loss safe as well. So I also made a call on this current token right now, which is on still very undervalued. Started trending as of last week, and today it has been making so many pumps too. So this is hana token. So this token has been pumping so well, and I feel like it's still gonna go much higher. The reason that it's one of the first token that had this Web3, Web4 ideas, and their team is still active actually, and they are still building something. So there's always a scenario when market sweeps a bottom, creating a deeper low, and then clearing the upper side liquidity, which is not even far from here. This is like 12 million market cap. If market goes here, so it's like 2% or whatever. So there's not much from here. So like 2x to 3x here. So I feel like this can actually achieve this in the next 48 hours, I think. So it's kind of a big profit. I also dropped it here on our community. You know, as I always do, I don't actually miss calls. So I dropped it here for us. And you see that Perform Trade was making profit yesterday. We also had Hannah to be doing well. So I dropped this thing earlier yesterday. I was like, yo, this token was gonna do well. So I dropped like when it was like let's say 3 million market cap, and today it was like 5 million or so. It's kind of very big profit from yesterday, like 40 to 50%. And today I decided to drop the trade so that everybody will also benefit from it. So if you can look at this here, I was flexing my network profit and as well. That's why I dropped the trade here. So if you're here to join us, do have to join us. The link is also in this video. If you are new to trading, check out my videos and other documentaries I've done so far. I've been talking about tokens I'm trading for a while and tokens I've been taking in weekly time and a lot of them. And if I had to start trading, just go to the bio on my account here, and you can. So if you come to my bio here, you can actually join my WhatsApp group. You can join my Telegram. You can join my Bybit partnership. So this is very very important, guys. If you are here to join my Bybit account for trading, do have to join this. Sorry for that, guys. See you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching, guys.